Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine, my desi kitchen with a western touch. Today I am sharing this recipe on request. It's hot shots with Arabian rice. Spicy and crispy chicken tenders served on masalaydar spicy rice and then drizzled with hot and spicy sauce. This yummy combo is available at KFC, but why not try this at home today? So let's go and make it happen. So for this recipe there are several steps. So let's start with the first step, which is marination of chicken. For that we need 1.5 pound of chicken, half a teaspoon of paprika powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then we need half teaspoon of mustard powder and half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of white vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. I found this yummy chili garlic sauce from a Chinese store, but you can use any one. All the ingredients are listed in the description box below or on a blog as well. So first in a mixing bowl add chicken, then add vinegar, salt and mustard powder, paprika powder and black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Now mix everything very well with the chicken and let the chicken marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now second step is to make a batter, and for that things we need will be 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour maida. Then we have half a teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use black pepper as well there. A teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Then we need 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, you can do chili garlic sauce, and some chilled milk to make a batter. So what you do for this is take a mixing bowl, add cornstarch, flour, black pepper and paprika powder, salt and baking powder, and then chili sauce. Then add enough milk to make a thick batter. I suggest here to add milk little by little. So and then in the end we will get just thick batter. Now transfer your marinated chicken into this batter, mix it very well, and now let's go on to our third and last step. Now for the third step, mix 1 cup of flour with a teaspoon of baking powder. Pick each piece and dredge the piece in the flour mixture. Make sure it coats completely, and then transfer this piece into a platter and repeat the same process with all of your chicken. Now heat the oil on 350, fry all of your chicken and then transfer it onto a paper towel. Repeat the process, fry all of the chicken, and now let's hop onto our rice. Now for these Arabian rice, things we need will be washed and soaked rice, like around 3 cups. Soak them for like 30 minutes. Salt according to your taste. I use the same measurement as a cup. Some cloves, then garam masala powder, some green chilies, you can use chopped but I use full, and some oil and orange food color. First heat the oil, add cloves until you smell the aroma, add soaked rice, garam masala and some salt, then stir them for a little while. This gives rice that different kind of nutty kind of a flavor. And now add enough water to cook the rice, and then cover and cook the rice until they are 3/4 done. So when you see the bubbles coming on top and the rice are almost 3/4 done, take like around a cup of cooked rice out of it and transfer them into a bowl. Keep the flame low now and cover the pot and add orange food color to the remaining rice and mix them very nicely until all the rice are coated. Now immediately transfer these rice into the pot. Cover the pot and let the rice cook completely. Do not mix at this time. And yes, don't forget to add the green chilies, cover and let the rice cook completely. Now our hot and spicy sauce, ketchup, chili sauce and chili garlic sauce. Mix everything very well. And now the assembling part. Transfer rice into your serving platter. Place your fried chicken pieces on top of it. And then take your mixed sauce and drizzle on top of the chicken and the rice. And that's it, it's done. So here's presenting my KFC style hot shots on the bed of masalaydar spicy Arabian rice with hot and spicy chili sauce on top of it. If you try this recipe, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to click on like and share with your friends. And then let me know if you want to learn anything else. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you for watching. I'm available for you guys on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course on YouTube.